Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can import your Trust Wallet into Metamask. So it's pretty simple. For this, open up your Trust Wallet and click on the setting icon at the top left. From over here, you want to click on Wallet. Now you want to click on the three dot right beside the wallet, and then you want to choose Manual over here. Now make sure all this is tick marked and click on Continue. Now then it's going to give you a 12-digit recovery code. What you need to do is make sure you save this 12-word recovery phrase. Now what you can do is just close your, Trust Wallet and open Metamask. Once you open Metamask, it's going to open up like this for the first time. So let's wait for some time until it opens up. Now once Metamask opens up, click on Get Started and click on Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. Now over here, click on where it says I agree. And over here, enter the 12-word recovery phrase which you just received from your Trust Wallet. After you enter the 12-word recovery phrase over here, and make sure you enter it into the order which is given to you. The first word first, second word second, third word second, okay? After you enter the recovery phrase over here, create a password for your Metamask wallet, enter the password again to confirm it, and click on import. And if the secret word recovery phrase you entered over here is correct, your Trust Wallet will be imported into your Metamask wallet. It's that simple. That's how simple it is to import Trust Wallet into Metamask. If you found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.